Watching the morning slipping through the blinds. Watching the morning slipping through the blinds.
Wait, rewind that. I just hummed and AI made it a song? You are next, no joke. Suno AI has changed the game. This literally turns anything like your voice, your humming, even random beatboxing into actual music, real melodies, studio quality, and real instruments. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process from absolute zero. Just go to suno.com and here click on this sign up button. Choose any of these options to sign in that will land you on this page. So here's the thing. Suno has a free plan which is actually pretty generous. You get a few song generation per day which is more than enough to experiment and create something cool. So let's jump right into creation. So go to the create tab where you have two options. Either a simple song creation where you can describe the song that you want to create, or you can choose the custom option where you can actually upload your audio, design the style of your song, as well as add in some inspirational songs. So let's get the party started, shall we? Here in the audio, if you click on this add button, you can either upload an audio recording or you can record one live. So for now, I'm going to upload an audio. Click on this and select any audio from your device. Then you have to agree to the terms. Make sure your audio doesn't have any lyric from any copyrighted songs or your file won't be uploaded to Suno AI. Once you select that, you have to select the portion of the audio that you want to cover, and you even have an option to play it from right here. So I'm going to take the whole clip and simply save it. Next, you have three options and you can select what you want to do with your audio. First off, we have the cover audio, so you can create a song in any of the style. Second is the extend, where you can make your audio longer, and third one is simply saving it to library. So for now, I'm saving it to library, and here we have our song. So from my library, I'm going to drag this over here, and here you can check out different things that you can be doing with your voice recording. Either you can create a full-blown song with it, or you can just add some vocals and instrumentals, but we are going to use the cover option. If you check out this lyrics section, you'll see that the lyrics of your song that was in the recording has already been extracted. Now this is where you get creative. You can type in what style of song do you want, and if you're running out of ideas, you have a few style listed down below and you can select from those. I'm going to choose cinematic soundtrack, bluesy guitar, mystic, mellow synths, songwriter pop, and glitch free. You can even write a short version and then use this button right here to elaborate it. So those were all the settings. Let's get right into creating by clicking on this create button right here, and look at that. That didn't even take 30 seconds. And I already have two covers now. And check this out. This one is actually 1 minute 12 seconds. That's crazy. So let's hear it.
Watching the morning slipping through the blinds. Floating dust.
Yo, that's insane. I cannot believe that's my voice. The beats, the instrumentals, the mixing, layering, all of it sounds like actual produced track. But if you didn't like yours, you can change the style, play around with all the settings and create a new one. But if you did like that, you can go to the three dots, click on this download button and select the format that you want your song in. Now that you have your song, you might want to tweak it or maybe extend it and make it longer. Well, here's how. Click on the song that you just generated and drag it over to this section, and it will be replaced by your previous audio. And this time make sure to select extend from this menu right here. Now here you can select what part you want to keep and which part do you want to recreate, and if you just want to extend it, you can click on this select all option, which will select your whole audio and then extend it further. Now here I've changed the style a bit. I've removed the cinematic soundtrack, and let's take a look inside this advanced options. Here you can choose the gender of your vocal lead. So let's switch to female, and I'm going to try something different, which is use the auto lyrics mode. Now you must be wondering what would that do. Basically it would write a new lyrics for us every time we try to generate an audio. So let's try that out and let's create the song. So click on this create button and just wait. Okay, so our results are here, and let me show you a little glimpse.
Standing in silence, breathing it in.
So that was the full song. Basically, when you extend the song, you have this option here, which is get full song. And if you click on that, it will add the previous part as well as the extension that you made to create a full song. And that's it. You just turned your voice into music. No music degree, no expensive software, no years of practice, just you, your phone, and Suno AI. Now, here's my challenge to you. Go make something right now. Don't overthink it. Record a line, upload it, and see what happens. And when you do that, drop a comment below and tell me what kind of music did you pick. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one. Now go make some music.